Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Digital Know-How channel. Today, I'll guide you through how to change the display language on YouTube when using a computer. First, open your browser on your computer and go to YouTube at youtube.com. If you're logged into your account, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear, and in that menu, you'll find an option labeled Language. Click on it, and a list of available languages will show up. Simply select the language you prefer, and YouTube will automatically switch to that language immediately. If you're not logged into an account, YouTube will display the language based on your browser's language settings. Unfortunately, there isn't an option to change the language directly unless you log into your Google account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give Digital Know-How a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.